answer. He's gonna be like, why are you calling so early? Because we're at a dog park.
We're just trolling all over this park, peoples. Oh no. Me shoe.
Rip shoe, 2018.
2017 to 2018. Look at this wonderful scenery. Who is who over there? I could zoom in.
How dare you?
Hello, this is Dylan.
his thing though.
We're just on a wondrous walk. Let's zoom on this
walk.
beautiful leaf. Majestic. So majestical.
Majestical rainbow.
Yay! We're just at the dog park, just enjoying the scenery. No, I didn't. See. Let's see. Back. Miss Spy.
Who goes there?
Yeah! Let's go. We must take the bush way, because we are bush women.
Oh, okay.
I find bush.
You can't even.
Shut up. I can fit. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Don't show my face.
Okay. Great, I'm stuck now. I have to go through here.
We have to replay the footage and see if we showed our faces because.
No. This is too good of a footage. Can I show the back of your head?
Yeah.
Okay. Because right now I'm focusing on your beautiful hair. It's so luscious. Oh, look, what a beautiful car. Yay. Oh, look, there's our kingdom. Must take this way. So where I could get freaking sand in my shoes. I'm a ship. Great. I got sand in my shoes. How could this day get any better? Oh, shoot. Yeah.
I'm going down the slide.
Are you recording a video for YouTube as well?
No. I can. Look on my face.
I'm following you.
You're not posting that.
Either way, you want to know what? In your freaking YouTube channel, it shows your freaking beautiful face.
Yeah, but I have a filter on.
Yeah, people can still freaking tell who you are. We must be the popos and escapos. Whee! I'm totally not being a cripper. I'm a cripple. There are a million particles. You need to cover your face right now.
I don't care.
I'm watching your hot dog face.
We can blur it out
How though?
in editing, I think. Remember, I said the word I think. Wait, that's too much. Okay.
I'm following him.
Can't climb up. Oh, it's not just
Come at me, bro. You were dead to me. This is a safety hazard.
I am so old.